like Sid.
Yep, it's true, yes I do. I sound like a kid's cartoon. Yep, it's true. Let me tell you a tale or two.
Meet Jason, a wee little boy with dreams to be a rapper. Oh, look at the little guy go. Oh wait, what's this? His new nemesis, cancer.
My doc told me I had really bad luck. What? That's not scientific though, I looked it up. But you know what? At least I sound like that dude from my favorite cartoon when I was growing up. Sid the Sloth, that was his name. A silly little critter from the movie Ice Age. It's true, he was my fave, and I used to do impressions of him on the stage. They left without me. They do this every year.
Isn't this Sloth?
28 years old, diagnosed stage 4. Lost my tongue, oh no. And now I talk like so. Rapping with the list, rapping with the twist. Now I sound like this. Wish I didn't rap with such a list. To rap without a tongue, man, I feel so dumb. Maybe I should hum. Nah, everywhere I go, people gotta know. Are you the voice from my favorite show? VeggieTales? Are you Larry the vegetable? And I'm like, no, I'm not a vegetable.
It's now time for silly songs with wait, you're not Larry. Larry!
Are you Sid? Yes or no? The same actor voice from Encanto? Well, I hate to disappoint, so I'm like, yo, we don't talk about Bruno. What's cancel culture? We cancel cancer. We're right dispatches, we acknowledging its defeat. What's cancel culture? We cancel cancer. We're right dispatches, we acknowledging its defeat. But alas, I dream, this is me. I sound like Sid every time I speak. I sound like him, it's embarrassing, but I won't quit. This is the dream. He sounds like Sid. That's what they say. He sounds like Sid. Well, that's okay.
We now return to whatever this is.
When I first heard my voice, I wanted to cry. Tell them why. It was bad enough, they said I would die, right? Are you telling me that though I survive the rest of my life, I'm gonna sound like I'm fine? Serious though, yo, the other day on the phone, calling the store. How can I help you, little boy? I wanted to tell her that I'm kinda old, but like, she wasn't extra helpful. I wanted to quit, I wanted to hide, to never make a sound for the rest of my life. But then I realized that in my silence, as I got quiet, cancer triumphed. No way, cancer cannot win, to take more from me than it already did. So I'm back, though I may sound mid, cause yeah, I sound like Sid. He sounds like Sid. That's what they say. He sounds like Sid. Well, that's okay. He sounds like Sid. That's what they say. He sounds like Sid. Well, that's okay. To all my friends just like me, fighting these disabilities, who'd rather hide than to be seen. Step on out into the light, let you and I begin to shine. Show the world how we can dream. You were meant to be seen, you were meant to be heard. You have a voice, you are a gift, are valued more than words. You are loved, you have worth, you have purpose on this earth. So step into the light and let's begin the shine.